Are you looking for ways to make extra money without any initial investment? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will explore 10 side hustles that can help you earn $500 a day or more with no upfront cost. These opportunities require dedication, creativity, and the right skills, but they can lead to substantial income and financial freedom. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's dive in. 1. Freelancing. Offer your services in areas like graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. As you build your reputation and portfolio, you can charge premium rates and increase your daily earnings. Focus on establishing yourself as an expert in your field and delivering exceptional quality to your clients. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from companies that offer affiliate programs and earn a commission on each sale or lead you generate. Create engaging content and leverage your online presence through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. Target high-ticket items and industries with generous commission structures to maximize your income. 3. Online tutoring or coaching. Leverage your expertise in a subject or skill by offering online tutoring or coaching services. Utilize video conferencing tools like Zoom or Skype to connect with clients and charge premium rates for personalized sessions. Cater to niche markets or high-income clients to increase your earning potential. 4. High-end consulting. Provide specialized consulting services in areas such as business strategy, marketing, finance, or technology. Focus on a niche and target high-paying clients who value your expertise. Develop a robust network of contacts and promote your services through networking events and social media platforms. 5. Dropshipping. Create an online store and partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers on your behalf. Focus on niche markets and implement effective marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales. Although dropshipping requires minimal upfront investment, it's essential to consider associated costs, such as website hosting and advertising expenses. 6. Content creation. Monetize your creativity by producing high-quality content, such as blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, or digital art. Leverage ad revenue, sponsored content, or donations to generate income. Consistently produce valuable and engaging content to attract and retain a loyal audience. 7. Social media management. Offer your social media expertise to businesses and entrepreneurs looking to improve their online presence. Develop effective social media strategies, create engaging content, and manage client accounts. As you gain experience and demonstrate success, you can charge higher rates for your services. 8. Print on demand. Design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them through print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Printify. These platforms handle production and shipping, allowing you to focus on creating unique designs and marketing your products. Research current trends and target niche markets to increase sales and profits. 9. Virtual assistant. Provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs as a virtual assistant. Services can include email management, scheduling, data entry, and customer service. As you gain experience and specialize in specific industries, you can charge premium rates for your expertise. 10. Stock photography. Capture high-quality images and sell them on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or iStock. Focus on in-demand subjects and create a diverse portfolio to attract buyers. While stock photography is a competitive market, consistently producing exceptional images can lead to substantial income. These 10 side hustles offer a variety of opportunities to make $500 a day or more without any upfront cost. While success in any side hustle requires hard work, persistence, and the right skills, these opportunities can lead to financial freedom and help you achieve your financial goals. Keep in mind that building a sustainable income through side hustles takes time and dedication. Be patient, consistently hone your skills, and continually adapt to the ever-changing market trends and demands. To maximize your success, consider focusing on 1 or 2 side hustles that align with your interests and skill set. This approach allows you to devote your energy and time to building a strong foundation in your chosen field, increasing the chances of long-term success. Remember, the key to success in any side hustle is providing value to your clients or customers and delivering exceptional results. In conclusion, the opportunities highlighted in this article demonstrate that it's possible to generate substantial income without any upfront cost. With determination, perseverance, and a commitment to excellence, you can turn your side hustle into a lucrative and fulfilling venture. So, what are you waiting for? Choose a side hustle that resonates with you, and start building your path to financial independence today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you try these ways to make money online. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.